responding to radio button click events. When the user select one of the radio button, the corresponding radio button object, the corresponding radio button object receives on click event to define the click event handler, for a button, add the Android on click attribute to the radio button element in your XML layout. Okay boss, just let's have the snippet for this. Let's have some sample snippet, code snippet. So here is my radio button. So let me add here Android colon. These all are properties guys. Layout underscore width is equal to, here is wrap content, next Android colon layout height is equal to wrap underscore content. Next I can apply id is equal to @ plus id slash, this is my example radio button 1. Okay, next you can go for this one, Android colon we can go for, by default you want to apply, is it checked or not? You can go for terms and condition guys. To accept terms and condition, by default you can make it as a checked. Okay, then I can go for true. Okay, and let me go for now on click. Here you can go for what was on click, your method. Take an example, I took check. Whatever the text you want to give, you can give, and the height and width and up to your wish guys. My intention is to give this one. Okay, fine. Here is my some text box. Yes, fine. This ends what was radio button on click. What I want to do, I want to design as the same application. But by using on click on the button boss. Whichever method will be selected, whichever button will be selected, that will call as a on click only directly. It will call as a on click. Here I won't go radio button group. I won't go for group. Are you getting what I mean to say? So create the project. So here is Alt F, new project. I think it's 22 radio button on click. Okay, next and finish. Okay, fine. Here is your event on the JDO buds. I load, go for design. No, I don't want to go for design. Copy. Copy. Boss. I'll remove all the text. I'll copy from previous application. Same application design, but with a different logic. I did design is same. What I want was, I want same design as previous example. Here I took linear layout na, same. Here is my one button. Here is one example. Okay. Here what I need, radio button. I don't need radio button group over there. Okay. Here I need radio buttons. One is for yes, one is for no, one is for maybe, and I don't need button also. I don't want button. Just I'll copy this code and remove unnecessary stuff which is not applicable to my application. Let me close copied and let me paste here. Control. I take all the stuff which is necessary for me. Layout is required. Okay. Example on radio button on click. Okay. Fine boss. Here I don't want radio button group. Shift to home. Let me remove. Delete. Okay. Here I will use the ID also, as well as I will use what boss. I will use on click method. On click, sorry, event. You can add anywhere, wherever you want to add boss. Here is the on clicker. Let me take any method. Check is the method. Okay. This is my yes button. Let me go for what boss. Let me go for no also. Okay. Fine. Now how you want to align? You can use radio button without using ID for alignment horizontally. For the alignment, horizontal alignment na, that purpose also you can use. Let me keep radio button group ready. For alignment is horizontal by using but different on click method. That's it. Let me keep the radio button group. Just let me there I will use radio button for radio button, radio group, wrap content, and here is wrap content, delete. Just I will leave what was only orientation will apply. Orientation horizontal now. Okay. This way I am using radio button group. That's it. Okay. Fine boss. This is my ready. Let me change this. Let me change here. No, danger. Okay, fine boss. Now, okay. Now fine. Let me proceed for my logic now. Okay. Where is my logic? Here is my logic. What you have to find boss? I don't want to find here. I will find in my own method. Public is my method. Here I pass view component. View. Okay. And here is the body. I will find what? Radio button. What I will find was one radio button. I will find only. I will type this V to radio button. V radio button. Radio button. I will take the reference into radio button RB. Regarding who is the super for all views na. So what I want to do from that super, I want to get the subclass reference. I got the subclass reference. Okay. So here after getting the subclass reference, I want to get the ID. So get the ID. Now I got RB dot get ID. Here is ID method. Now once if I get the ID, I can hold it into variable na. Int ID. Again, now I can go for if else statements. ID 0, 1, 2, 3. You can enjoy your work. Understood boss? What I mean to say? Switch. Let me pass. Sir, I write my own logic. What is logic? If will come. Okay. This is my case. R.id dot RB. Okay. I do read na RB1. Now here I write my own logic for RB1. Now here at break. Okay. Now what is the logic you want to write? You can write it right here, guys. Shall we change the background color? No. If I done this work, then what will you do assignment? तुम्हें assignment guys करना नहीं, तुम्हें गलती आगा. Just nothing you have to do. What you have to do, boss? Go to here linear layout. Set the ID. This is my LL1. Fine, boss. Okay. If you want to change the background color, now just find that here linear layout L. Let's find out that ID. Linear layout. Not if I'll find here only ID. linear, no, LL is equal to linear layout find view id add id dot ll1. Here I got id. What I want to do is ll dot set background, set background color. Now how can I set it, boss? Even string. Now it is showing that error. Wrap using integer dot parseInt. Okay, how can I wrap, boss? I need hexadecimal id na. Let me set there. We search for something. Int color mode, int color. It is asking for background color amma, but I have to get the integer value for that. Let me search for background color. Set background color Android programmatically. Here I want hexadecimal color. Here I want hexadecimal. I was expecting this one only. Color dot white. What is the color here? Color dot parse color. Okay, boss. Type for color dot color. Now you can pass. Yeah, Baba. It is not taking parse color. Let me pass here. Okay, I gone for minimum level API 15, but I need 16 API. This feature is available from API number 16. Let me go in different way. I don't want to go to in resources. I want to get hexadecimal color, guys. How can I set this hexadecimal color? That is my intention. Guys, when you start creating applications, now don't go for Android API 15. You can go for one more extra versions to set the background color. Whatever assignment I give to you, for that assignment. Now here I took a mistake. That mistake is what, boss? API level 15, boss. Okay, we'll set Baba. Don't worry. Here they are expecting integer format. Now I don't know which color is it. Control chat. Let me get some hexadecimal color, guys. Values from the internet. Okay. Hexadecimal color picker online. Okay, boss. Fine. Let me get the color picker. Let me get all those colors just to set the background. I want what, boss? Yes means green. Where is the green, boss? Okay, here is the green. So let me take here any color. This color I want. Control C. Where is hexadecimal? This only, na? This is RGB. Hey, here I am having number of colors. Control C. Where is my AVD? Control V. Alright, this will give you in control chat. This is accepting in hexadecimal, but not going, boss. I have to convert that value into hexadecimal values. Okay, I'll change the color. For one I will have, right? That means I'll go for toast. Toast dot make text dot what should I pass here, boss? This dot and what should I pass here? The name of that selected ID. How can I get the text? we can get a text of that rb1 rb1 r dot id dot rb1 dot get. No, I cannot apply boss. Directly let me write manually. This is my yes. This is my yes. And toast long. And let me call here what boss? Sure. Same. Let me go for what boss? Another two. Control E. Control E. Here is my RB2. So what is required? RB3. I am not seeing any background. Here I am not seeing background. Okay boss, fine. Let me go for now default case. I set all the brick. I don't want to go for default guys. This is more than enough to me. Let me change here. Second is no na. Second is no. And here roof no. Maybe. Okay boss, let me launch. Okay. Fine. Boss here instead of this one, you can here dot get text dot to string. You can use instead of fixed values na. Here also you can go for same. Here also you can go for. Are you getting what I mean to say? Okay boss. Here I'm saying yes. Yes. No. So maybe. Without submitting na. Without submitting. I forget to remove that button. That button is useless to me. Remove that button. Where is that button? Here is the button. The button does not require to me. Now let me redeploy. That color code is not working. Try check. Let me go for some other stuff. Yes. Okay. Now maybe. Understood boss? Okay fine. We'll proceed for now. Spinner. 8:16 na? Still having 10 minutes of time na? Huh?